Hey guys, we forgot to do a house tour, so let's do it right now.
Hey guys, so Sasha will be the one to show you our Airbnb. So this is our first time to book an Airbnb, and so far the location is pretty nice. It's very near Yotsuya Sanchome train station. So it's, I think, 3 to 4 stops to Shinjuku proper. So it's quite okay. And then yeah, this is our crib.
Okay, so guys, let's start right now. So it's the house now. So
Receiving area.
So this is the front door, and in the front door we have just a couch with 2 people sitting on it.
It's a self check-in, by the way, so the host will be the one to give you the codes and the reservation ID, so it's pretty safe.
Yes. So we have free umbrellas. We also got a thing here, like how to use the remote, and of course a TV. And there's some like steps, then there's where you put your shoes. So here is the kitchen, which is quite small. We got some snacks, we got a mini fridge. Yep, and we got a staircase. Well, this is like the first floor. Then let's go to the second floor. Okay, so we have this is where we toothbrush, and then here's where we do our laundry. We don't really do laundry. We just like wash our hands, we're like there. There's like facial things there. And then we also got our room. So this is me, Mamu, and Daddy and Mommy's room. Say hi.
Hi.
Grandma.
I'm your pretty grandma.
Anyway, that's my mom's mom. Next, this is the 3rd floor. This is just quick. Hi, Mama. This is Mama and Papa's room.
What is that?
Camera.
Your mom is not go out.
And then we have a nice bathroom. No, that's not a bathroom. This is the bathroom. There's like a little close. Anyway, let's go to the last floor. Okay. This is the last, not the least. Say hi! Hello! So this is their room. And then, okay, here's the balcony. It's quite wet here because it just rained. But not that much nice view. Okay, you lock it. It's not locked. Yeah. So yeah, we're done with the house tour, and I'm just gonna go down. And we're also gonna do a separate video by me showing you the things that we bought. Bye.